Extrinsic semiconductors. Doping. The processing of introducing impurities in small quantities into a material is called doping. Extrinsic semiconductors. An intrinsic semiconductor is one which contains small quantities of selected impurities introduced into an intrinsic semiconductor. Types of extrinsic semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors are of two types based on the type of impurity. They are p-type semiconductors, n-type semiconductors. P-type semiconductors. When a trivalent impurity such as aluminum or gallium or indium is doped in a pure semiconductor crystal, a p-type semiconductor is formed. The impurity atom and the semiconductor atom has almost same size. Hence, the impurity atom occupies some of the places of semiconductor crystal. The indium has only 3 electrons in valence shell. It can form covalent bond with neighboring silicon atoms and one hole is formed. Thus, every impure atom creates an extra hole. Hence, number of holes created is greater than the conducting electrons. The holes become the majority. Charge carries. The holes are positive charge carriers. Hence, this substance becomes positive type or p-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductors. If a small amount of pentavalent impurity like phosphorus or arsenic or antimony are dropped in a pure germanium or silicon crystal, a n-type semiconductor is formed. The impurity atom and the semiconductor atom has almost same size. Hence, the impurity atom occupies some of the places of semiconductor crystal. The impure atom Sb has 5 electrons in the outermost orbit. Of these 4, electrons participate in covalent bond forming with neighboring atoms of germanium. 1 electron is left over as free electron. This free electron contributes for the conduction of electric current. Every impure atom has a free electron. This electron is not bounded to any atom, hence it can be treated as a free electron. The number of free electrons is more than number of holes produced. Hence, electrons become majority charge carriers. As electrons are negative charge carriers, this is a negative type or n-type semiconductor.